O is for orange. O, orange. O, orange.
Yay! Orange! I am orange. Do you like to eat orange? Yay!
Yes, we like to eat orange. We love oranges. Yay!
P is for parrot. Pop, pop, parrot. Pop, pop, parrot. Yay, parrot! I am parrot. Do you love parrot?
Yes!
We love parrots and we like to play with them. Ready to fly? Yeah, let's go! Welcome back! Again! Hello, kids! Do you like our video? If you like it, give us a big thumbs up. Let's learn with fun, kids. Subscribe for more videos.
Bye!
Q is for queen. Qua, qua, queen. Qua, qua, queen.
Yay! Queen! I am queen. Do you like queen? Yay! Queen! I am queen. Do you like queen?
Yes, we like queen. Yay! Subscribe, don't be late. Fun and learning here are great.
Like the video, subscribe today. Let's learn and have fun every day. Let's learn with fun, kids. Yay!